So what have I done? It all looks the same. I've cut a brace out from here to get a bit more space for an engine. The engine should be this long. This is my contingency plan. So I've got enough space to drop the engine in now. I've moved the seat back a bit. So this bar was across here. So I've moved it back about 5 inches. This is now more angled and set back. And obviously these 2 bars are there as a guideline for the roof. Added some bracing in the corners. A bit more bracing at the back. Removed all the evidence of the previous 2-stroke engine mounts. Welded everything up. And just going to get Maddie to try it. Lengthen the steering column pedals, which I've removed, were in this area here, which is where her feet were, but now they're going to be here because she's sitting in this area, and Scarlett there. I've done a bit of sanding on the front end. That's obviously a bit of shape and sanding, that's messy welding. So I'll clean that up, and then once it's in a rough shape I can mount it to the body. That will make it a bit more, mount it to the chassis, sorry, that will make it a bit more rigid, and then I can start hammering it a bit more with a dolly to get a lot better shape and smooth out all the bumps. So this is trial fit. So I think the floor will allow her feet to be up about this high. We've got a little bit of headroom, because I think the roof line will be up about here, a bit curved.